I can't be cheated on and then zvienda zvopera zvakadaro. Azviite, my girlfriend recently cheated on me. Because of that, you all are gonna suffer the consequences of dinyo. I'm telling you. I'm big, I'm angry. And I'm angry, I'm telling you. Anyways, another day, another dollar. Couples exchange phones for 6 seconds. We're out here in Aspinall Park as usual. I feel like I miss this hood so much. It's been a minute, man. It's been like long time without creating episodes here in Aspinall. You know what I mean? But anyways, guys, I don't know what the security behind me is. I don't get something. This is our hood. Anyways, we out here in the Zokandaka charger. Now that is security, man. You get now that is security. Ana kenyama but akasimbira mbonzo. Yes, so what are we saying? Atshede zvokukumbira vanhu. Takutongosvika takabata kamera. Baba. Ada kundivhiringidza. You know what to do.
I'm ready, Baba.
You know what to do. Anyways, it's another day, another dollar. Couples exchange phones for 6 seconds. We're out here in Aspinall as usual. Trip check. I'm dressing same as water. You get what I mean? Nothing too much. Just something simple. Slides from Mr. Price. Socks is from Mr. Price. This one from Extra Clothing. And this one, we are wasting time. No, this one, where did I buy it? I don't know. This one, I don't know, somewhere in South Africa. Guys, cameraman, tutongosvika takatongonanga papo. We're here in the park. Kana key. One thing that I love about this place, when you come here, you always get couples. You get what I mean? Hello. How's it? Sure. As you can see, guys, we are still here in Aspinall Park. Guys, we are documenting. We work here in these offices. Don't worry. We do documentaries. Today my documentaries at this place, shooter and showing. You can see we are building new pavements here. And we want to put another new park, new tables, and everything here. You get. So, tunofamba toda ma videos. Anosedwa mu group re vanhu vanogara maningi. Asa mugare munomu. Okay. Anyways, I know that my questions would take from can I sit there? Maybe pakati. 2 minutes. Pakati, just 2 minutes. Nothing deep. Anyways, another day, another dollar. We're out here in Aspinall Park and we're chilling with these two. So, my name is Press Makarani.
Okay.
Yes, what's your name?
In Indonesian approach. Boss TP approach.
Sorry.
Boss TP approach.
Yeah?
Guy, you approach is destination.
Some must was approach.
Yeah, approach.
Must say. But that's some
ripa beta na basa.
Iri arisipa bete. Kone kuma kombere kuzvarwa naro.
Ripa beta na basa. Andi was no video.
Approach. Another day, you know that? Sadziwa. So we're out here, we're chilling with Sadziwa and Approach, bro. I loved her, bro. I loved her, and I was doing everything for her.
Okay.
It breaks my heart. She cheated on me.
You're just making fun, is that?
I'm not lying, bro. She cheated on me.
So
it hurts me, bro. You can't be in love, bro. Anyways, another day, another tola. Guys, I want to ask a couple of questions here. Makawana nakupi?
Okay, we met online. Yeah.
Patinde repachi apa pa Pornhub pachi.
Kwete Pornhub, kwete Tinder. Pa WhatsApp group reku camp ya chaida kuenda something.
Kuma camp ikoko kunyanya ku 7th day. Akuna camp kwa mnemchira ndikukuziya. Ndakambira msikana ku 7th day. Msikana ku 7th day. I know so mnemchira ma camp ikoko. Amusikuno namata. Anyways, tsungora asha don't msache. But akandichita msikana ku 7th day. Aita kwenda kuma camp. Ndino ma camp ikoko vaijola. They know that they were doing there. Munoenda kuchechi? Amaenda kuchechi? Makatozongoona kuti kunamata azviite.
Tanzania munyepero.
Kumachechi?
Yeah.
Ne? Yeah, ndozvona. Zvongooneka. Anyways, mbati masangana makembi. Okay. So guys, how long have you been dating? Mabidana kongore basi?
3 years.
3 years? 3 years?
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years? Rato degree murora nini?
Rora. Next year zopera.
4 years. Degree. One thing that I learned, never date for long. Because you might regret that time. Ask me. You might regret it, bro.
Why?
You might.
Give me one reason.
Bro, but it will end in tears, bro.
Not all people end in tears.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, okay.
I trust myself.
Is it? Yeah. Do you trust it too? You trust yourself. Do you trust it too?
My instincts don't lie.
You trust it too? It's gonna be a funny game. It's gonna be an interesting game. Okay, now that you said you trust your girl and you do trust your man?
Yes, I trust her.
You trust it? Tell saying.
I trust him.
Zvekutodaro. Zvekutofa naye.
Yeah, zvekutofa muguwa je.
Muguwa. Guys, mazvinzwira. They trust each other. Zvekutopinda muguwa. Munomtrust kupinda muguwa. Out of a 10.
Out of what?
Out of a 10, munomtrust zvakase.
I can't judge a person, but I can give you 10% out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Go out of a 10.
5.
5. 5 is crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You trust the 10 and not trust the 5.
It's of course because the kuna relationship is perfect, you know. You meet a different person at different level.
But
so
you're good to know. Trust the 10, you trust the 5, but you balance me.
Now the other 5% is gonna come later when she's married, you know.
Oh,
so, yeah.
So I just trust that I'm married.
And 5% is also.
I don't know. Maybe that's how it works. As my name my businesses. Name my cause.
Can I answer to go?
It's okay. It's okay. You can answer. You can answer to go.
Okay. Hello.
Doesn't go back. Don't worry.
Yeah. So that's it. Koji. Chi? Ormone. Ne. Hey. Well, so ndokwanisa kufonera after a few minutes here pane pandiri. Okay. Nditoni yangafona ka.
Okay.
Ameno hanzi arungwe rechichi.
Jano kwa rungwa nechikuchero.
Oyo.
Arungwa nechi.
What hanzi darungwa hadzi ndifonere.
Asa arungwa nechikuchera.
I don't know. Kanzozi.
Zvekuchera zvoruma. Zvisinei mukoma wangu. I was saying that you disturbed. I was saying komana. What do you munhu wako unomutrasta 5 achazozona after marriage?
Yeah, after marriage ndopanozona 500%.
Chichi chingaitoti urambe munhu wako nhasi unomuka uchiti achatodana nemunhu. Chichi chingaitoti urambe munhu wako.
Kuti ndingomuka ndichiti handichamude. Inini zvangu ndongoti I love someone unconditionally, then which means I will not have a reason to reject that person, you know. If the time is right, the person will just go.
Oh, so you can't ramba munhu. Anongoenda kana time dzakwana.
I know. I don't have to push someone away kuti chibaya or whatever.
So chero akakubhaizira, you don't care.
In love, you know, kuti nyangwa munhu akabhaizira ufa utobhega munhu wako. Because if you don't beg, pampaji knows what ungosingamu. Because you kana waida munhu wako, you need to beg kubvuma kupusa, you know.
Wait. So you're saying inini ndaifara kubhega munhu wangu andichita ndobvuma kupusa. That's what you're trying to say here. What are you saying?
There are some mistakes anogadzirisika ndika. If it's the first time
okay, my mistakes achona asingagadzirisika. You can't amaita for the first time. You can't let it go.
If it's the first time, every person is a second chance.
Nyangwa kuchita is a second chance.
Even the Bible says if you fail, you have a second chance and to make things perfect. Yeah. So that's the thing.
I like that. I love that for you. Wakapengeo. Nesisran, chingaito musiyana nemunhu chi.
Wangomuchita. Ukandichita.
Unojamba munhu.
Maiwini.
Asipere mushi.
Kutosiya cheko.
What do you think?
Okay. Of what she said, for girls, zvonzwisisika because some people are not replaceable, you know. Nengo munhu tuka bowa nyango zvikandazonyenga umwe munhu, I will never get that type of person. So it's normal kuti marwadzo anoenda muita akasvika extend kuti akwanisa kutombonyengera, then kune imwe side kuti ndamubowa anokwanisa kundiregera if ndikamukumbira regerero. So it's normal for a girl to reject like that, but inini mukomana ndikaita hasha kudarika dzemusikana hazisi normal, but for a girl it's normal, zviriko kuti areact iyoyo.
Another day, another dollar. Couples exchange phones for 6 seconds. We're about to see if this relationship is gonna continue or it's gonna end here, because it seems like it's gonna end in tears or in what? Enjoy. Tears or joy? No, enjoy. Say it's gonna be ending in joy. So guys, I don't want to waste much of the time. You guys said you trust each other or don't trust, and now, personally, I'm doubting kuti there's anyone who is perfect in a relationship, because I used to trust you, but I no longer trust. So do you mind guys exchanging phones for 6 seconds to see kuti pana ari kuchita mumwe here kana to see kuti what's up? What's that? Trikunoko.
Ma?
Trikunoko.
Alright.
Trikunoko.
UK.
Yes. Yeah. Maybe no up the sky mwedzi. Muri
Oh,
7 sky.
time
Kumwedzi.
time dzikuita zienda museta uda wena
Bro naomba.
Yes.
Atono kuenda kumba kwenyu nitokuperekedzai. Tofamba tichienda.
Try drive.
Exactly.
drive.
Unokwanza kuita drive?
Yeah, I drive iripo.
Mune mari kumba kwenyu?
No ka. Magician never reviews 6 rates. So
I like that.
yeah,
You
papa no
speak in
reply.
English. I like.
Plus yanzi msikana fano zia salary yako ikete.
You don't know his salary.
Yeah.
You don't know his salary.
Yeah.
You don't have to know. You don't have to know. Okay, it's okay. You can give me yours. Thank you so much. Another day, another dollar. Couples exchange phones for 6 seconds. Apa rose ya salary. Because chokwadi because akaziya salary ka akutofunga pamwe anodisable power mari every day.
Yeah.
You get? What do you think about giving girls money?
First thing, if I have a girl want to, I've went through a lot with these relationships. But if I have a girl, you need to make your first priority,
Okay.
You don't have to let you akukumbire mari.
Okay.
Akubeg airtime.
Kukana uchingo how much do you think you can give a girl money monthly?
Monthly.
Because you know wangu akambotichita because ndasaka kwanza kumpa $20 every day.
As for me, which I can say, I'm not yet working, I'm a hustler,
Okay.
self-employed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And
monthly, how much can you give a girl?
I cannot say monthly, but I can say maybe weekly,
Okay.
When I hustle, half of my money I'll just give to my girl.
So in total,
per month.
per
Penand, I don't have an actual amount because
ya
hustling.
wakambopa chimboti calculator yawakambopa yacho
Yandakambopa my girl when I done like kudara. It was almost like is it $45
monthly.
That's the money which I sacrificed.
Shout out to you. Shout out. That's a lot, bro. That's a lot. The ex of mine, the girl used to date. She wanted that man per day.
But she left.
She left.
She left for no reason. But I moved on.
She found a sugar daddy who can give her. So yeah, she's covered.
You see what? Mina, if I get rejected,
yeah.
I'm that guy who begs.
You begs for love.
For love, I beg, Then if I see if it's not working, I enjoy life,
Yeah.
Enjoy my money, so
there's the different types of men. There's simps, and there's hard ones.
Plus, there's
you
this
might be
quote
simp,
which says every pain will always lead you to happiness. So
yeah.
Of which my happiness,
especially for simps, that quote works very well.
Yeah.
Shout out to you. My sister, yes, the phone name. Yes, phone name. Mutanga matupa nyumsari mabata kana sister. Kweto tenge muroya yedzerwa.
Yacho iyi.
Yeah, yenyu. Tipe tanga matupa yenyu.
Kuishandisa.
Tona kuishandisa. Yakonotinge munagarra mwene wamajuru muzo. Mune mabanana.
Yeah, twazamba mabanana.
Kunza ikono. Munoita zvebanana farming em. Unodhinika kunza kunofoniwa. Nonsense. Batai. Munoita zvebanana farming. Asi muri kuplan.
Ebanenzara ngomzo banana futi.
Asi maybe unenzara. Adondo ati azondipage phone asachirega chichika banana racho on behalf. Andomafarira kai. Asi kumzara bani la.
Ebanda mahombi amadiki.
My banana. You love it big, ne?
Yeah, big ones, yeah.
You love it big.
Maybe long ones again, yeah.
You love it long, ne?
Yeah, long.
You were. Barab.
Mama manje.
You were. I love it big too. You, I don't know. Can't you kumbarika?
I don't know about
manje. I don't
know mahombe manje. Acha madiki manje.
Oh, another two. A couple of the phones for 6 seconds. Oh, what did you? It's okay. Yeah. Anyways, I don't want to waste much of your time. Yeah. I said my name is Chris Morgan and I want you guys to exchange phones for 6 seconds. Banana no apera.
Apera ma banana. Trust coming out the others, so yeah. So can you continue? Ma banana. Anona ka ma banana. Anona ma banana.
Yeah, shakwana. Your voice is in the green, it's not attractive. Okay, open. I will start to search here. You can start. You can go WhatsApp, you can search morning after. Can I share for search your nudes? Can I share for delete for search your sex? Can I share when I see with you guys? I'm kumira morning after no scan. I'm skumira sex no scan. I'm skumira manud no scan. I'm skumira. Yeah. No scan. Mono cheat in them.
Nah, I don't.
You don't cheat.
I just link with girls,
Oh, okay. Sister kana masha munonge mitraga modilita mosecha kwa WhatsApp, Instagram, Skype, Pornhub and stuff. Kwese. Yes. Another day, another dollar. We're out here in Aspindale and we are back like Musana. If you guys thought kuti Dienda and no couples exchanging anymore, you're lying to yourself. You're lying. Now I'm back, bitter and strong. We need to get to 50,000. This freaky fucking month routine. We need to get to 50,000. Right now we're sitting on 41,000 and we want to get to 50,000 right fucking now. August, September. I'm not playing. And I can't point the fact that she cheated on me, may say more. So wadza bro. So wadza. Machena, seja ku Instagram, Facebook ne. So wadza bro. So wadza. So wadza bro.
Handina IG inokufura kuhura.
Aona IG.
Those apps ya.
Inokufura kuhura.
That thing will make you a bitch, so
Ne? Can go Facebook.
Facebook now, but it's for business, and now like other things I do on Facebook.
Do my businessmen.
Hey.
Shout out. Alright, Chiribo, let me help you. Wanna stage morning after? Motinga morning. What does it say? Mushanzama morning after. Oh, how old are you?
I'm 19.
19. Mushanza shimda.
Like
I mean, my morning after. My mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Anyways, yeah, now I was going to search the phone. Go to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Skype, Kwese, my group WhatsApp. Out was your pin. Nezi.
Aye, wakanona
Where
ka.
tata
Nostika hii.
Urukuchka. Why are you shaking? Why are you shaking?
Mbona zinitika nozoti mama.
Yazangu zostika. Yatanga iwe. Yatanga zostika ya moko makere. Iwe. Zvibati. By WhatsApp.
chiri ku open.
Inotostika zvechiwa. Unofarira kumuchita. Enda ushandisa phone inostika yani mari. Basa rake kutengera mabanana tazotengera mafoni machine. Another day, another dollar, we got a banana farmer in Mama banana.
We grow money.
Type shit. You, marumba going again.
Nah, don't
Yo.
man.
You say you just said you grow man
to take care of myself in my life,
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. But soro sumbura zonge munhu akuti take care of yourself and your life. Paumbe buka ngano take care of the head. You're taking care of your life, ne? Yeah, but you need to take care of this too.
Maya totoita but munhu auzopfeke katopfeka zvinoenderana kwatiri kuenda according to the location.
Type shit.
I think
Type shit. You can open WhatsApp, you search morning after nudes, sex, I love you, I miss you. Everything. Now the popping tinaro. Security. Bring the popping. Security. Popping tinaro. Don't worry.
Okay.
Popping. Ore cable dar. Popping tinaro.
It's okay.
Don't worry. Cable iripo. Tingaski. Popping iri. Ba.
Ndinoselekta machaji.
Ayo, ndine imwe. Kana ire charger. Amusanye booster. Don't worry. Tofata edza. Hanzi yabva. Kana yaramba tine imwe cable. Sinofata edza. Because tofoda kumira panonzi kutonozwa kwakachauruka munokuziya. Muri safe. Ino musirungo gariswa ngemuro yarwarwa nebero rezo. Kuba kwa marwarwa nemoto transport.
Mumanyo motorwadza.
Murwadza nemudumbe. Arisi jeko. Say back. You guys, you need to use my phone. Anubaka. Kwete uda kutenge zivi mafoni nyande ngari kufemera onzi pane zvoda kuitika panapa. Tenga atumwa mafoni.
Yema license anawo mchero kumba zviki. Right rise anozi.
Yeah, sure ne. 0202. Okay, WhatsApp. Search morning after. Nudes. I love you, I miss you. And a lot of stuff. And the password.
Muzikanona mama ndone.
Iwe. Kuna mama wako yero jereo. Sa password do. Iwisko, she's punching. Rega misa muno kungezi. Ndo zvamunoita kana mabvunzo mafoni enyu izvi. Mutangomisa muno ngezidya vanhu mugomo unoziya.
Totagira kupi manje?
WhatsApp.
Okay.
search WhatsApp search morning after nudes I love ish big rangu kundiva ndosita mabig manyowani wambubeka big nyowani chendo chikoro wando chikoro ama lessons akuda 5 O levels umtori if you are watching this in Zimbabwe and you don't have a 5 O levels or someone license WhatsApp ekalokwa why do you cheat my sister why do you cheat if you don't have 5 O levels and you are in Zimbabwe on a license I'm telling you zvakadhakwa yes zvakadhakwa and ausuzotora license because yeah the guys muri kuti kata takakula ndo vanatona makapaka ma intersections yeah pana mafaro chemwa right mune chena left parufa around you park in the terminals mulode kopuka kakabwana imwe mune mchiloda muri pa pavements dzimungutirovera izvo so na traffic yese munotama mwanga driver nemuzvimindom achi saka izvo so license rakuda 5 O levels wana rasta mune mungojara drivers na basa amchatori ma license zvakaoma ngoma wangu unozoti vanhu unonyaso no drive ndemu uyu munhu ana O level wombo unoti uyu munhu kundi overtake ana O level unotono ana O level tujasona kuti uyu ana O level hana chenda kuchitungiza kwakwe swela wana tseda na chitungiza madriver kuchitungiza vanenge vese vakagumira pa grade 7 pa chikoro 1 pazengeza 8
panyeni upindana papiri mafoni
ngotaura kuti ya inyaya yangu ndibata kuti panda O level you need O level mu life kuti ngotaura mu life you need O level
nopafoni
you need O level mu life sakakosha O level mu life yaba pakuti bag rangu rikucheka ranofungisa bakuze kuchikoro nakati you can't relate yaba vanopfura neko ndinguseche ngoma another day another dollar couples exchange phones for 6 seconds we're out here in Aspindale Park and we're about to see if this relationship is gonna survive this tragic incident.
WhatsApp akuna dinda Chrome
ana WhatsApp kanoti
WhatsApp akuna like
ku Chrome ndo secha asa anonga ma sites
ayo andi wati ndozi like my websites atofunga like wana Chrome Facebook whatever chichi
you Chrome urikuite iwewe
ha
Chrome uruda search you Chrome you guys you stop beating meat it's bad search kuna na Facebook Instagram tsaka WhatsApp kwakaitwa nene kweso kutsvaka kuma bin kuma photos look for everything kumaka ubata share dzinge dzindiro deso maitwewo
mudumbu
kana mabata mudumbu kana marodzo nemudumbu unobata mudumbu kana mobata share kana mobata mudumbu dumbu rapa apa kwete kuno
doesn't get Facebook
kwese mdara my love you is much search everything
ndiri clean ni chingwa ndipe phone yangu makutowa time mama wangu ndidapo
phone asikupa asada pedza ndokona kumbatsira you might be slow
saka uri kuteera munoona nhasi panapa
zvine basa reko
chestaka layout
aiwa ndo yati yekuti
iwe uri kumbomanyira kupiko uri kumbomanyira kupo kadewa kanonoka dewa kenda zuro kanewa kana dewa wamukira Maxine aikazve dewa wamukira Maxine zvinewo uri kumhanya iko who are you rushing if you rush you crash unorovera
if you rush
you crash no need to rush are you Tyler ndiyakemba rushe saka ndagona daseba ndirisando dzangu
yakapedza
daseba ya kida rush
as cruiser man
imi mchiregeka kunonokera munosvika vanhu varongedza ndiro kamushamba richakwata
phone is ticking bro
zvakaoma
should I go gallery clean
kwese gallery waona asinewo unoona kuona munhu wakakamupanywa iko kwese hana Facebook samuri pachi
IG
Instagram ndima buddies IG shout out wakapenga go to IG pa IG pane maberries fully grown ndaona magaro boys okay you know kana when you sing you start seeing some things that you were not even seeing when you were with someone
Instagram utengaito
zviruitere
azikuona Instagram maybe saying
munoiziva Instagram
ndoiziva ngatizoziva Instagram bro
yes Instagram search there another day another dollar couple anoziva Instagram andavana Instagram
ndoiziva but antipochit
yeah muchavapo waizvochise kuInstagram ka ona kuwana type yaweko samuri kushayire
amuna Instagram bro but kwanasecha kuti clean
no kana iwe une Instagram uyo nayo ka but I'm on Instagram. Right. Another day, another dollar. Couples exchanging phones for 60 seconds. We're out. Right. I'm on Instagram, but on Instagram. WhatsApp, I wanna show one, but on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, I wanna na chirimo.
Na chirimo. Galari. Ana but I'm na chirimo.
Chivureo. You guys, why are you looking? Guys, don't some scout. I don't want to my calculator is murukuzi yazo murukuita. That's what I'm gonna make today with a tutu my calculator. I know what you're doing. I know the secret. The other calculator is calculating some other stuff that are it's okay, uncalculatable on the earth. Yeah. Yavuru. See anezwa murukuita izvo. Nyama za muruku wanda calculator kwechitutu tiri kudziziva. It's very bad. It's bad. Vanada basa kuaita zvinhu calculator. Kwenyu ufunga pamwe moda maths select utatuma calculator. Kana udatuma calculator dikuti imwe chitu physically. Waita ma calculator mairi. Mfoni. Zera rako unowanza zvinhu calculator yo.
Nezvo ndaona ka bro.
Munezvo tasi?
Ndaona mfoni yo. Amen Jani wakatwa nayo gallery. Shamwa chimbondu
Jani. Mira. Wait.
Ngatauri Jani muna gallery.
Wait.
Face. Why?
Awa Jani, iya ndimuziye ke.
Mira.
Itanya yako.
Mira nditauri.
Taura.
Mira, unotsimbira nini ka?
Ayo ngatori nyaya yake.
Unotsimbira munhu wako sha indobvisana neunhingiri nere.
Ngatori nyaya yake.
Why are you gay? Unotsimbira nini munhu kumeze? Anzi ndiano.
Anowaziva yeyu. Ndiwo kamukoma wanditaura pepa iwewe.
Mukoma ari pamira wewe.
Mwana wase ndimukoma.
Ndimukoma mwana wa sekuru. Anzi mwana wa sekuru ndimukoma.
Akundinyepera bro.
Samjeta se.
Apa. Anotora foni yangu ndakatenga. Bro.
Wakatenga foni. Icho chifoni chako chinosika unoti chine basa rechifoni chako ichi. Noti chine basa. Ndizvozvo. Iwe nokunotonga.
Chipisa butsa ndakatenga futi.
Aiwa. Butsa dzakatenga kupiko butsa dzate.
Bata apa bro. Shamwa bisa butsa ndakatenga.
Ona iwe.
Woza butsa ndakatenga. Mara hendere mahara.
Kopyugwa.
Brugwa ndazomubvisa hapa zviti tiri paruzhinji.
Saka marara makachitwa munotora zvinhu makatenga.
Ndinotora zvinhu ndakatenga but zviriko but tinongonozvitengesa futi waikeita todzosa income yedu.
Chigara nezvinhu zvako chapamama.
Izvozvo. Baya bye shamwari.
Another day, another dollar. Samkoma muchaita sei? Muchaita sei?
Apa. Tadana nehanzvadzi yake.
Why are you gay, bro? Yo, it's okay. Satana nguri. It's okay. No, it's okay. Satana. Wanda zvataura. Yo.
I want to move on my life, no.
Uchadana nehanzvadzi yake. Yo.
Maya.
It's okay. Usa explain. It's okay. I want to explain. Another day, another dollar. Couples exchanging phones for 6 seconds. Ndavunza ngomo saka muchaita sei atadodana nehanzvadzi yake. Bro, why are you gay, bro? No, why? No, why are you? We are not cutting that part. Anyways, another day, another dollar. Couples exchanging phones for 6 seconds. We're out here in Aspindale, and we're gonna see what's happening and what's popping, and we'll keep on giving you my updates, and we'll keep on updating you on what's happening. Anyways, this relationship just ended in Mazondra Mega. Kuti zvapera and pasina iripo love yaendwa, love yachona yavharana and bro just said ndichadanana nehanzvadzi yake. I don't even know what wakazoona ku bro is gay. Anyways, do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Press Makara, and you guys, just because I got cheated on, I'm gonna break all the relationships, and I'm gonna start cheating too, though I'm single. I'm gonna be a single who is cheating. I love you so much, guys. Do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Press Magara. I'm keep on holding my slides. I know you can't relate because I want to have my slides. Anyways, I love you so much. Let's make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Come on, my couples exchanging phones at Zoka. Anyways, it's shy for now.